Hello, and welcome to another fun and exciting episode of Wolf Power Adventures. Today, we are undertaking some work on our Series 1 Land Rover, and probably some other things, but mostly that. Let's get to this, which doesn't look very good at the moment, but that's because it's not doing that. So, I'm building this breakfast. That's what Land Rover calls it, you know. Hey, Thor. How you doing, buddy? Okay, so I need to bend this. And I probably also need to bend this side a little bit too. Right, make a little zig, and then on the other side it'll be a little zag. So it'll be like that. Okay, I'll go grab ya. So I've got my lines that I'm gonna bend. We got a zig, got a zig line and a zag line. So view from the top, you can see why I'll need to zig and then zag. It'll zig and then it'll zag. So I'm not gonna say those two words again. So, I got my line lined up by eye with the edge of the table, and now I'll kind of secondarily just use my fingerometer and touching the table here like this, and with this thumb touching this edge, I'm just gonna try and find the high spot, so to speak, and it's even enough. There is no high spot because I'm a pro. Now, I will probably go ahead and climb up on this table so I can use my foot as an additional clamp. And I will begin to bend this a little bit. I probably want to be tapping closest to the edge here, or else there's just going to be a lot of bouncage, and also that's where we want the crease to be. So this is going to go on here, something like that. And this is just looking stupendous. Right. It's time for a zag. I need to zag at about the same angle as that zig is, but the opposite direction. That is deluxe. And I'm not going to do any more bending. Ooh, riveting. Okay, so it's the next day, January 2nd, We've got 22 days left to get this back on the road. Because it's daytime, I am going to fit the transmission, and I've made the cross member removable so I can remove and install the transmission from the bottom instead of having to take the seat box and stuff all apart, blah blah blah. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and first I need to clean a bunch of space. Yeah. Boom. It fits perfection. It's absolutely perfect. So, as you can see, we've got the, oh yeah, very nice transmission in there. Happiness. Thank you for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. I am feeling super good about the ambitious goal of getting this thing back on its wheels and operating by the 23rd January 2022. So that is 22 days from now, because it is the second day of the month. So I today got the transmission installed, and I also got the radiator panel finished, and you've just watched all of that part of the video, so you knew that. Yeah, not tomorrow probably, but the day after. My wheel bearings and seals and U-bolts. Once again, thank you all for watching. It's been really fun to see. My last video got more views than I've had on most of my videos, so that's pretty awesome. If you like the video, please hit the like button, because that is cool to see that go up. And if you have any questions about what I'm doing, or comments, or if you want to tell me I'm an idiot or I'm doing something wrong, like that's good too, let me know. Have a good day. Happy New Year.